All right, let's walk through how to pair this with an iOS device like an iPad. First, on your watch, go over to the settings. And as always, go to connections, Bluetooth, make sure your device is discoverable. Now on your iPad, go to settings and Bluetooth, and you should see your device show up here. Go ahead and hit select. This should send you a pairing request. Confirm this on your device and the watch. And now you should see your cursor show up here. Now it's important you go to accessibility and make sure that assistive touch is turned on. And you can also go into sensitivity here, tracking sensitivity, and adjust this to your liking. Now let's go ahead and open the WowMouse app. And then when you open that, you should be connected to your iPad. So now you can just go ahead and select items just by tapping and clicking. It's important to know that at any point, if you want to temporarily disengage the mouse, you can go ahead here and tap the mouse icon, and this will just temporarily disengage the cursor, but it is still connected. You go ahead and hit select again, and you have your cursor back. All right, let's walk through how we're going to pair this with a Windows device. As always, go into settings, make sure your connections and your Bluetooth is turned on and the device is discoverable. Now on your device, go into Bluetooth and devices, select add device, select Bluetooth, and give it a few seconds and you should see your device show up. We're going to go ahead and select this. You should see it give you a pairing code. Go ahead and confirm on your watch and do the same on your laptop. Now that this device is connected, you'll notice that sometimes it may show up as a connected mic. This is expected behavior. Now we go over back to our WowMouse app, and you will now be connected with HID. All right, let's walk through how we pair this with a macOS device. So first off, on your watch, we make sure that we have our settings enabled. So we go to settings and go to connections, Bluetooth, make sure it's discoverable. Then you go onto your Mac, go to Bluetooth settings, and look for nearby devices. You should see your device show up here. Simply hit connect. It'll ask you to pair, make sure the pairing addresses are correct. And select this on your watch too. And now this should be connected. And in fact, you'll notice that HID is already active. So now if you go back into your double point Magic Mouse, you'll notice it's now gone from a teal color to this yellowish green, and that means you are connected. So now you have your mouse enabled, and you can go ahead and tap to select, just like that. All right, let's walk through how we connect with an Android device. So go into settings on your watch, make sure your watch is discoverable, go to pair new device. Now we have a lot of watches here, but this is the one we're using. So go ahead and select that. And you notice as soon as you selected it, you can now control the mouse on this. So it should be synced up immediately. And as you can see there, your cursor shows up as supported HID mouse. A few things to know about the app. This app works best when Wi-Fi on the device is turned off. Sometimes you may notice degraded performance when Wi-Fi is turned on. So for optimal settings, ensure that Wi-Fi is off on your watch. Also, when the battery on your watch is really low, you may see degraded performance. So ensure your watch is sufficiently charged. When syncing and connecting with various devices, if it doesn't connect the first time, try restarting the app and turning Bluetooth back on and back off. This generally solves connectivity issues. And lastly, to disengage your app temporarily, your mouse temporarily, you'll notice my cursor stopped moving, but it's still connected to the iPad. You just hit this back on and you have this enabled again. These are just a few things to keep in mind with the WowMouse app. If you have any questions, reach out to us on Discord or our socials, and we'll be happy to get back to you ASAP. Thank you.